Ozonolysis, that's one of those chemistry words that sounds intense, but honestly it's not as intimidating as you might think. So, if you're ready to tackle this reaction in the lab, here's exactly how I do it, safely and step by step. First up, what is ozonolysis? It's a reaction where ozone gas, O3, slices right through carbon-carbon double or triple bonds. That's your alkanes and alkynes. By doing this, you end up with carbonyl compounds, things like aldehydes, ketones, or carboxylic acids, depending on your starting point and how you finish up. Here's what you'll need. Your chosen alkene or alkyne and ozone generator, an inert solvent like dichloromethane or methanol, and a dry ice acetone bath to keep things nice and cold, usually around minus 78 degrees Celsius. And of course all your proper PPE gloves, goggles, and a solid laboratory coat, because ozone is not something you want on your skin. Right, let's do this. Step 1. Dissolve your alkene in the cold solvent. I like using a round bottom flask sitting in a dry ice acetone bath. The cold helps control the reaction and keeps everything safe. Step 2. Ozone time. Turn on your ozone generator and gently bubble ozone gas into the solution. You'll see the reaction mixture start to take on a pale blue tint. That's your sign that ozone's doing its job. When the blue color sticks around, you know you've got enough. Don't overdo it. Extra ozone is just asking for trouble. Step 3. Now you've got an unstable intermediate called an ozonide, and this is where your workup comes in. You've got two choices. Reductive workup is the more common one. Here, I'd add something like dimethyl sulfide or zinc and acetic acid. This breaks down the ozonide and gives you aldehydes or ketones, or for oxidative workup you'd use hydrogen peroxide. This one pushes aldehydes straight onto carboxylic acids. For alkynes, by the way, you usually get carboxylic acids directly or carbon dioxide if you're starting with a terminal alkyne. Now a quick but important word on safety. Ozone is extremely hazardous. Always run ozonolysis in a fume hood and never breathe in the gas. Handle cold baths, ozone generators, and all your chemicals with care and respect. So to wrap up, ozonolysis is a powerful way to split double and triple bonds and turn them into useful carbonyl compounds. Just work step by step, keep everything cold, and treat ozone with the seriousness it deserves. Good luck in the lab and happy experimenting.